Join us this Saturday. Emerald Resort Park Run turns 100th event milestone. Get ready for an unforgettable celebration on the 4th of July 2026 as Emerald Resort Park Run reaches its centenary. Whether you walk, jog, or race, bring your family, friends and colleagues for a morning of energy, community and pure South African spirit. Expect lively cheers, smiling volunteers, memorable photos and a course that weaves beside the Vaal River and the Emerald Resort wildlife, a stunning backdrop for personal bests and happy memories. Wear your pride, show your support for South African sport by sporting Springbok, Bafana or Proteas jerseys. Let's fill the course with national colors and celebrate our shared love of sport. What to expect? Free participation for everyone. First-timers warmly welcome. A friendly 5 km course along the river and within to the wildlife area. Scenic, fun and achievable for all fitness levels. Dedicated volunteers and on-site photographers capturing the best moments. A lively, supportive atmosphere that helps walkers, joggers and runners push for the personal bests. Great opportunities to connect with the local running community and celebrate achievements. Past parkrunners have gone on to provincial recognition. Why come? Celebrate a milestone. Help us mark 100 parkruns at Emerald Resort. Experience nature and community in one amazing morning. Create lasting memories and photos with friends and family. Be part of the excitement that inspires athletes and newcomers alike. Huge thanks to our volunteers and the entire Emerald Resort Parkrun community for your passion and commitment. You bring this event to life. See you on Saturday. Bring your energy, your colors and your smile. Let's make the 100th Parkrun something to remember.